Hello guys, welcome back to Patrick TV GH. This is your savings tutor, Mr. Patrick Bankwa. It's been a long time since I came your way on this wonderful channel. This is Ghana's #1 YouTube channel. I welcome you if today is your first time joining us to this channel. We talk about financial discipline, we talk about investment, we talk about how to grow your business. And today we are going to talk about a very interesting but important topic that I think most of people who work in the corporate institutions will find very useful. And what are we really talking about today? Today I'm talking about payday loan or credit card or any support that financial institutions can give to their customers by way of availing some funds to them, which is against their salary, which we call payday loan. I want to talk about things that we should be watchful when it comes to payday loan, things that you should be mindful of, what it can drive you to do as someone who works. Don't forget that you have a financial goal in mind. So once you have that access to that payday loan or that credit card, what are the things that you should look out for? And how can you streamline your life to be financially disciplined? And that's what we are going to talk about today. But before we go into it, we want to take a short commercial break from our main sponsor, Pensions Alliance Trust. When it comes to personal pension, they are one of the best in the country. You should look out for them. Their numbers will be on the screen whilst I do my presentation. But I want to take a short commercial break from them. When we are done, I'll start the discussions on how we can streamline our lives when it comes to payday loan. I'll be right back.
Have you heard about Pensure?
Pensure is a hospitalization benefit, disability and life insurance benefits package underwritten by Allianz Life Insurance for Pensions Alliance Trust, or PAT.
As a contributor to PAT, you get to enjoy Pensure for free as your contribution accumulates under the Tier 3 and Inindasu Wealth Builder Pension Scheme. This hospitalization benefit, disability and life insurance cover enhances your family's financial security. So what are you waiting for? Join Pensions Alliance Trust today and enjoy these free benefits too. Pensure, your financial security enhanced.
To sign up, call us on 0302 775 349 or 0501 553 839.
Email us at clientservice@pensionsalliancetrust.com or use the web portal on our website www.pensionsalliancetrust.com. Alternatively, you can reach us on any of our social media pages on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Pensions Alliance Trust is available on your phone through the PAT app on both Android and iOS. Terms and conditions apply. Pensions Alliance Trust, securing your future.
Welcome back from the commercial break from our main sponsor, Pensions Alliance Trust. As I said in the introduction, today we are going to talk about payday loan. And if this is the first time you are hearing of the word payday loan, it's a loan that financial institutions or banks give to people that have their salaries passing through their account. And it's a form of stopgap loan for you to be able to sort out yourself, as we say it in Ghana, until your next salary comes in. It's a very good product that helps people to meet their emergency needs. So, for example, you may have a school fees that you did not plan of coming in, or a medical bill that you did not plan of in your budget coming in. At that point, you want to go for this short-term loan from the bank to be able to sort it out once you wait for your salary to come, for the bank to now clear it off, and you go again. It's a very good loan that I think most people are enjoying from. But today I want to look at the pros and cons. What are the advantages and disadvantages that we need to be very mindful when it comes to this kind of loan? And it's important that we open up our minds. Of course, the first importance of that loan is that it gives you easy access to funds to meet emergencies. So for example, as I said, if you have an emergency that you don't have to go and apply for a loan, takes a number of days, weeks before it's approved, you get access to this short-term loan to be able to sort it out, awaiting the payment of your salary. So it's a good way of going about when it comes to emergencies. Of course, it also comes with some form of relaxed documentation, unlike a loan where you have to go and get a guarantor, get blah, blah, blah. For payday loans, they are very short. You usually fill the form. In a matter of days, you get your money, which is good. But the key point for my video today is to warn people of the cons, the things that you should be very mindful when it comes to payday loan. One, it creates a bit of indiscipline in their lives for people. People become financially indisciplined. They don't plan their lives based on that because they always have something that they can fall on awaiting their next salary. For me, that is very critical. If you don't develop a habit of staying within your means, if you don't develop the habit of being financially disciplined, you always think that this kind of opportunity that you have is the way to go. For me, that is not the way to go. You only use payday loan or credit cards as and when on extreme emergencies. But the moment you see it as a leeway for you to get some emergency sorted, when you yourself, you know deep down your heart, that is not an emergency. It begins to create a hole in your financial life. That hole is always going to be filled by your salary. So by the time you realize you are not able to expand or do anything meaningful with your income that you are earning because you are always filling up a hole that has been created by a salary advance that you went for. So that is where people should be mindful of. It is good to go for it, but don't make it a point that you're always going for that because you're not able to streamline your finances. You're not able to streamline your lifestyle. And if you keep on doing that, trust me, you cannot make any meaningful impact with the income that you are earning. You will not be able to buy the land you are thinking of. You are not able to even further your education because you are always paying a debt out of your emergencies that you are creating for yourself. So that is the limitation when it comes to payday loan. I'm not against the loan. It's a very good loan. But as someone who is working, learn to streamline your own income. Learn to streamline your own expenses. And don't think that you have a fallback by way of an emergency loan that is sitting, you can always go into it and create. It begins to deteriorate your life financially, and it can affect your plans that you have for yourself. So that is what the payday loan is about. I want you to be very watchful as you go for this kind of loan from the banks. They will come in and give you all the good things about it. But if you yourself, you don't have a financial plan, you don't have a budget to streamline your expenses, the payday loan will rather make you poorer than making you richer. And the emergencies that we are always chasing after will always be there, and you will not be able to make good headway in your financial journey. If you have enjoyed our session this evening on payday loan, kindly subscribe to our channel, share the link with other people, and let people get to know of this good news that is happening on Patrick TV GH. If you're a corporate body and you want to sponsor this program, our numbers will be on the screen. Kindly contact us. Let us have a bit of collaboration in boosting your business while to also reach out to the masses in the country. This is Patrick TV GH, your savings tutor Patrick Bar, coming your way for another educative session. Good night.